What you can see here is once in the Torah, the sentence Torat Mashiach Mai. What is the Torah, the doctrine of Messiah? Which is really concept which is brought in many places, that it will be, when Messiah will come, it will be like no doctrine of Messiah, will reveal new things in the Torah through gematria, through computation of letter, through Torah codes. And here what you see in these sentences, and the Torah tells you where we have this indication to the Torah doctrine of Messiah. So it's written that it is in the Zohar, in Kabbalah, which have a lot of secrets indication to all these things. Then you have it also the codes. The Zohar and the code goes together because we mentioned already that all the idea of the codes is part of Kabbalah. So here we also code him in this way. Now also the doctrine of Mashiach in Rabbi Isaac Luria, who is the Ari. And as we said, basically this is really a whole picture about the doctrine of Mashiach, what it is, and you see, as you mentioned, the Zohar, Rabbi Isaac Luria, the codes, all of it coming here. Now, what you have more in this table, you have the year when it started, 5736, Tafshin Lamed Vav, and this is the time that Professor Rips and Doron Witzung, both of them heard about this phenomena. They heard about it from Yaniv, who gave a lecture about the findings of Rabbi Weissmandel. And then, with this, people start working on it. And who are those? So we can see clearly the names, Eliyahu, Rips, amazing, very small skips, letter after letter, Rips, which is significant. Then we have Reuven Meir, which is really Professor Haralik, coming here also. Reuven Meir is name, Hebrew name, Meir, Reuven Meir. Then you have here also my name, Matityahu, coming here, which work with Richard Shaw, with Pinlight. In fact, we start working on the codes with Richard in the year that coming here. This is really when the document came out, which was really Tafshin Ayin Vav. So you can see Tafshin Ayin Vav coming here. And the first stage was really when we met each other, we can say, and started working, it was 5772. So you have here Tafshin Ayin Bet. So this was really the stage when we started really working, and we knew each other. I mean, also Rips and Professor Alex, this was the time when we started. So altogether, very interesting table. As we said, only once in the Torah you have this sentence, the doctrine of Messiah, what it is, and exactly what is in books, that it is a Zohar, this is Rabbi Isaac Luria, Kabbalah. And then you have the people who are working on it from the year 5736, and the time really is another stage when really we start working with Richard Shaw, Pinlight, on it, and this was really in the year Tafshin Ayin Vav. Really this when we started, and then later on, definitely in the other stages, we have other tables clearly showing about this development of coming out of the codes to the world, but this is really the basis of it.